was a pilgrim on the road, then I found you. Beautiful vision, dressed up in blue, and in that moment everything became clear. Love is the reason that you have come here, and I love you today. Or until there's nothing left. I saw you in blue in the midst of my mind, and the vision of love began to shine as I looked at you with the eyes of my soul. Just for a moment I was able to hold heaven in my eyes as I looked at you, and I fell in love with the girl in blue. Once upon a time when love struck twice, found you were there and I gave you my life. It's true, my lady in blue. I'll always love you. At the end of the day, every thought is of you, and as soon as I wake up, you're on my mind too. I love you like there is no tomorrow today. I don't know what I'd do if you ever went away. I love you today. Or until there is nothing left. There's a breath in my body and a beat in my heart. I loved you forever, right from the start. And when the winter appeared at the end of the year, a new life was born and the summer was here. Yes, it's wonderful to love the one that you're with, when all of a sudden you find it's no myth to walk and to talk in the midst of the mind, to fall in love once upon a time with you, my lady in blue. I'll always love you. There's a lump in my throat and a tear in my eye when I think that our love will never ever die. Lady in blue, when this life is through, I know that I will always love you. I love you today. Or until there is nothing left.